Hi everyone. Okay, so we are going to review some letter sounds and some blending. And then we're going to practice a blend and read. So let's start with our sounds. So first, this is an I. And we are talking about the short I sound that it makes, the I sound. Okay. Then we have an R, makes that sound. Then we have an F that makes the sound. And then we have our S sound. So remember, an S makes the S sound. But remember, if it's at the end of a word, it can sound like Z, right? Like a Z. Okay? So let's blend a word. So we have an F, I, B, S. Okay? So we have I, B, Z. Right? It's at the end of a word. And our I makes the short I sound because it's followed by a consonant. Okay? So let's do it again. I, B, Z. Okay, so we have I, F, B, Z. Fib, fib, z. Fib, z. Fibs. Good job, guys. We just sounded out the word fibs. Like if you tell a lie, you're fibbing, okay? So our I makes that short sound because it's followed by a consonant. And our S makes that Z sound because it's at the end of our word. Good job, guys. Okay, so let's do one more. So we are going to blend this together. Okay. So we have this word. Let's go ahead and blend it. Ready? So we have our R that says Our I that has the short I sound because it's followed by a consonant. We have a B that makes the B sound. And our S that makes the Z sound because it's at the end of our word. So we have I, B, Z. I, rib, Z. Rib, rib, Z. Ribs, ribs. Good job, guys. So we just blended the word ribs. That was awesome. All right, so now we're going to look at a blend and read. So I'm going to practice a couple words with you, maybe the first line, and then the rest is posted on Schoology. So I want you to go on and practice sounding out your words. Okay? So line 1, this first word, let's sound it out. We have k, a, n, z. Okay, so remember that an makes that an sound. So we have k, an's, k, an, cans, cans, cans. Good. Okay, let's do another one. There's our an again, so an's, an, fans. Fans, fans. Good job. There's the word fans. Okay, let's do one more because this one looks different. It doesn't have our S. So we have an, ran. Good job. Okay, so let's do one of these sentences and then I want you to try the rest on your own. So, one cat, cat. Cat, cat, cat. Okay, one cat. And this word too, let's sound it out. Naps. Naps. nap, naps, naps, naps. So this S doesn't make that Z sound. So for that sound, it just depends on the word. It depends on the letter that it follows. So I want you to just, when you sound out words, think about what sounds right, okay? So naps. Would it sound good if it was nabs? Naps. Now that doesn't sound right, right? So make it with the normal S sound. Naps. Good. So let's go back and try that again with this cans. So what if we did a normal S sound and said cans? Cans. That doesn't sound right. So let's do the Z sound. Cans. Cans. There you go. That sounds right. So I want you to just sound out the word and think about what sounds right in your head. Okay? So we have one cat naps in the bin. Bin. All right, all together. One cat naps in the bin. Great job, guys. So I want you to go back on Schoology and look at this blend and read and practice every line and practice sounding out your short I and your S sounds that start like a Z, okay? So like I said, remember, just look at each word and say, does it sound right? Do I need a Z sound or an S sound? Okay, and then tell me if you find any patterns. Sound good? All right, thank you.